We have done heaps of challenges on our YouTube channel. However, out of every single challenge we've ever done, we have never slept outside. But today, I will be taking this task head on. I will be spending a full night outside sleeping in the yard. Will I make it through the night? I honestly do not know. Do you think I'll last a full night outside?
Yes.
Do you think I'll last a full night outside?
Yeah.
No doubt in your mind?
No.
Do you think I can sleep outside for a whole night?
No.
Why?
The bed bugs then come.
Disco, you think I can sleep outside?
Yes.
Now I know you probably have two questions in your head right now. Why on earth do I want to do this? And how exactly am I going to achieve this? Like, am I going to bring my actual bed outside and sleep in it? Or perhaps I will have no equipment at all? Well, due to safety reasons, I need some equipment. This is what I'm going to be using. Oops, sorry, I'm going to have to interrupt this and show you something that happened before I started filming. We are currently dropping the dogs off to the vet. I have a nice outfit on, but I currently look pretty bad because Sabre, Naz, and Mum haven't been home all morning, so no one's been able to do my hair. Bye-bye. Pluto is gonna get the sex. This one is gonna get teeth cleaned. I'm sorry.
Two completely different things. There goes Sockie off with the puppy dogs.
Alright, dogs are gone. Wink really didn't want to go. Pluto didn't know what was happening.
The Pluto's gonna have the cane on his head, hey?
Yeah. So soon I'm gonna have to pick Winky and Pluto up from the vets. Anyway, back to the video. I will be using some special hiking clothes to keep me warm, a hiking quilt, a sleeping pad, and my tent. I match my sleeping mat. All this stuff you see is stuff that I have saved up with my own money and bought. And what exactly am I using all this stuff for? Is this just for this challenge? This stuff is all hiking gear because I really love hiking. But you may be like, Sockie, why do you need a tent if you're just going hiking? But the hikes I want to do are actually extremely long hikes. Like, they take weeks or months to accomplish. So if I cannot manage to sleep outside today, it probably means that my dream to hike for weeks at a time is never gonna come true. To really indulge myself in this hiking experience, I'm gonna go pack my backpack full of supplies and go for a walk. Yeah, I know, you thought I was gonna say hike, but the thing is, it's actually snake season. Australia is home to some of the world's most deadliest snakes. Like, they can kill you in less than 6 hours. So I'm not gonna go for a hike, but I am gonna go for a walk, which is, you know, the same thing. First, we need to get into something more walking appropriate. Oh, much better. Alright, let's go pack my backpack. This is an ultra lightweight backpack, which means it's a very light backpack, so it's just like, it weighs nothing really. I tried to do that for all my hiking gear because I really do not want to be hiking for like multiple days at a time, like carrying the heaviest backpack on my shoulders. You know what, it feels so good to finally talk about this. I feel like I have really no one to talk about my hiking stuff to, which is fine because they're not really into it, like how I didn't really talk about makeup and stuff. Because I'm not like other girls. Okay, I'm going to get some of my other stuff. I've got a cook kit here. Whoop, nice bowl of apple and blackcurrant. Not sure what's that doing there. My poop kit. Keep in mind, my hiking kit is not actually complete yet. There's still some stuff I need to buy, but we're almost there. Fun fact, this is like my favorite hat. Like, my favorite hat in the whole entire world. We can all agree it's not the most fashionably looking hat in the whole world. But what it is really good at is making sure you are safe from the sun. First thing you do, oh well, I think you do, I'm not an expert, not take any of my advice on how to pack a backpack. I have legit no idea what I'm doing. We're gonna line the pack with like this plastic bag. So that means if it rains, none of my gear is gonna get wet because it all goes inside this pack liner. First thing I'm gonna put in is my quilt, along with my sleeping pad. Now, there's one thing I haven't included into my pack is it's food. I don't really have any food to take though. I'm just going on a like pretend walk. And my medical kit, that's not complete yet. My rain jacket. And then in the big front pocket, we add this umbrella. Actually, we need to talk about this umbrella. Because it was so ultra light and I wasn't very gentle with it. This happened. Everything is perfect except this. Oh no, the clippy thing kind of broke. That's the problem with buying very light stuff. They break easily. And that's my full backpack pack. Don't look at the head, there's a box in there. I still haven't found a bag to put it in. But other than that, it's a very nicely packed pack. Now that we've packed the pack, we can go for a walk. I'm gonna be taking Phoebe on this walk. I really do feel like I'm hiking. But I'm not, I'm walking. Oh, I don't think I've ever told you this, but like, I hate birds. It's maybe because I've been swooped by some and it scared the crap out of me, but I genuinely just hate birds.
And right now, I'm just trying to pretend I'm hiking.
I mean, I think it is pretty crazy that I'm actually gonna be sleeping outside tonight. I just feel like I'm doing an achievement. Like, I'm gonna be the first Norris Nut in my whole family to actually stay overnight outside. Phoebe's having a good time. The sun has like began its descent to, I don't know, the other side of the earth. Good news for me because it means it's almost time to sleep outside. Hello, Sarah's Norris here. Oh, that's good. Okay, they're ready now? Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Yeah, I'll be on my way. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, Winky and Pluto are ready to get picked up from the vet. So I better run home and go get them. Phoebe, let's go see your friends. Oh, it's Saber. Oh, Saber's driving.
You don't have the operation of his teeth.
No, that was Winky.
Why put on it?
His balls are gone. We're here. Mama's gonna go get Pluto and Winky. If I get scared, can you come in the tent with me?
I'm gonna cut it together.
Yeah, we got them together right now. I want to show you one of Charm's cool party tricks now that we're waiting. Ready, Charm? Show me.
Open the lid.
Oh.
Put your finger in.
Oh, put my finger in it.
Wiggle around.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
And take it out. Show the lid. Then get your teeth in my
Mama's there with the puppies. Hey guys. Oh, how are you guys? So this is Pluto in his cone. And this is Winky. He's just very tired, but nothing's actually wrong with him. Like, Pluto's actually sore. We're finally in the yard! But first we need to set up my tent.
I've practiced setting up this tent so many times that it feels surreal. I actually am now going to put it to use.
Now I'm gonna put my tent poles in. Now, if I wanted to, I could just sleep in this tent like this, but I won't be protected from the rain.
So I'm going to put the rain cover on because I don't want to get wet in the night. That would suck.
Yes, it's set up, finally. I think we're good. Sleeping pads here. Gonna add in my quilt. Look at that shot, it's very aesthetic, I feel like. This is my aesthetic. All right, we are now gonna let that sit and rest. Yes, I know you probably wouldn't think that, but it's filled with down, so you kind of need to let down rise. Then it keeps you warmer. Clothing of bags into the tent and zip it up. Okay, we're going. And there she is, my beautiful tent. And I look pretty bad right now. But you know what, it doesn't matter. I'm about to go to sleep. Will I actually last tonight? You know, I'm not even sure if I will. Legit, my first time in my whole life sleeping outside. All right, here we go. Okay, this is where I'm gonna be sleeping for tonight, and there's Mr. Winkles. Spare clothes in case I get cold, but it shouldn't be cold tonight at all. But I don't really know what my comfort level is either, so it's gonna be exciting. I mean, like, it's pretty cool. We're actually doing this. Already, if you look at the roof, we have some bugs. You see them? They're not in the net, but they're outside it. It's actually hot enough that I'm going to be changing my quilt into a blanket. You see how I do that?
We don't care.
It's big crammed in here. Okay, so you may be like, what about the pillow, Sockie? Where's your pillow? The pillow I have at home is actually really, really flat. Like, I don't really use a pillow. Why are my eyes so dark? Goth emo Sockie. I can hear a lot of creaking outside the tent. Oh no, how am I gonna sleep with that sound? I don't even know we have frogs in our yard. How do we have frogs in our yard? He's an above shot, in case you wanna know what I'm looking at. That's Winks. He's a good boy.
1 hour later.
So it is currently very dark, and yeah, the sounds are pretty nuts. You know, there's a lot going on. Currently 8:22, so I'm gonna go bed now. I'm so far being successful. Okay, good night. Okay, so I'm about to go to bed, and there's Liz's house. That's where my bedroom is, and here's Sockie in her tent. You're gonna be able to sleep the whole night outside. I still haven't slept. I officially made it like more than halfway through the night. It's been not the best sleep though. Just can't really get that comfortable. It's much comfortable sleeping in a bed. Okay, I'm gonna try and sleep again.
If only 5 hours to go until I could get out of the tent, surely I could make it, right?
I don't know how much Sockie's told of this story. So look in here. Can you see Sockie? Can you see Sockie? Well, I just got up to do my exercise and I looked in here. And there's a dog. Winky's in here. I'm like, what's Winky doing in here? How'd you get here? And then I saw a girl sleeping on a lounge in here. What happened?
I lasted until 3 AM. Imagine, I was so hot. I couldn't sleep. It's like sweating. Did I complete sleeping outside? No, I didn't.